Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 31 of the series, and in this episode we are going to talk about getting price of the stock or instrument through Algo. So how to get a price, that is current market price or some other market price of any particular stock or instrument through script. So that's what we are going to do today. So let's get into the script directly. This is a sample script for getting price of any stock or trading symbol. So let's get into every single part of this code to understand it better. So we need to use quote API to get the current market price of any trading symbol. And in order to use this quote API, you need to use a client object. So here we have used client.quote to call our API to get the current market price. So quote is the API and client is the object. So you need to use the client.quote to call your API to get the price of any trading symbol or any trading instrument. So that's the first part. Next is the instrument token, which is unique for each trading symbol. So we talked about it in detail in the last episode. So instrument token is unique for every single trading symbol, whether it's futures, options, or any particular stock. So first we need to find the trading symbol for the stock or the trading instrument for which we need to get the current market price, and feed the the instrument token here. So once we do that, we can use the client API to get the current market price or any other price for that particular trading instrument. So in simple terms, pass the unique instrument token of the trading symbol for which you need to get the current market price. As simple as that. And the next parameter is quote type, which is nothing but the type of data that you need from the server for this particular instrument token. So you can either ask for the last traded price, which is short for LTP. So if you give LTP, it will get you the last traded price of this particular instrument token. But you can also ask for OHLC, which is nothing but open, high, low, close data. So you can request for any type of data that you want, whether it's an OHLC data or the last traded price data. So you can mention what type of data that you want, and the server will respond accordingly. So this is the exact code that we need to use to get the current market price of any particular instrument. So once this particular line of code gets executed, that is once this API gets called, you will get the price code of the symbol in the form of the JSON object. So you will get the price of this particular instrument in the form of a JSON object. And now what you can do is like you can pass this JSON object or just JSON response to pull the exact data that you would need. For example, if you are asking for open, high, low, close data, that is OHLC data, then what you can do is like you can pass this JSON response, because the response will have all those data, all four of those data. So what you have to do is like you need to pass the response and pull the exact data that you need. For example, if you need just the high data, then you can pass the JSON response and extract that just high data. So that is how you need to use the this price quote API. So call the API with the right instrument token and the type of data that you need, and once you get it, you can pass the response and pull out the exact data that you need. So this is how you need to get the price of any trading symbol through your algo or script. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. So we have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders program. This is where our Algo trades and results are published on daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you are interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed of our Algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for our live sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.